In today's video, I'm going to teach you using the audio element Simple Embed. If you're building a paging card and want to share a song, an album, or a playlist from a supported service, this is the fastest and cleanest way to do it. We'll keep it simple and I'll point out a few quick tips so your audio shows up exactly how you expect. Start in the card editor with your page open. To add your player, click Add Element. You'll usually find this button along the editor's side or bottom toolbar, depending on your layout. When you click it, Card shows a panel of element options you can add to your page. This is the same place you'd add text, images, buttons, and more, so you're in familiar territory. If your page has multiple sections, make sure you've selected the section where you want the audio to live so the player lands in the right spot. From the list of element options, choose Audio. As soon as you select it, Card drops an audio element onto your canvas and opens its settings. Here's the key part. In the URL field, paste the direct link to your track, album, or set from a supported service such as SoundCloud or Bandcamp. Use the standard public link you'd share with others, not an embed code or an iframe. For example, a SoundCloud track URL or a Bandcamp album URL works great. Make sure the link is accessible and not private or restricted, otherwise the player may not load. If you're copying from a share menu, grab the regular link option. Once you paste the URL, Card takes care of the rest. After a moment, the audio player appears on your page. You'll see a live preview that reflects the service's player style, so you know exactly how visitors will experience it. If needed, you can move the element within your layout to match your design and adjust spacing so it fits naturally with your text and images. Give it a quick play inside the editor to confirm it loads properly. If everything looks good, you're ready to go live. Click Publish to make your changes visible on the web. Card will guide you through the usual publish steps, and once it's done, your embedded audio is ready for visitors to play. That's all there is to it. Add the audio element, paste a supported link, see the player appear, and publish your site.